I'm Kristy Kún, and I'm a textile artist in Southern Oregon. I make handmade felt.
And I'm Christian Burchard, and I work with wood, and I've been focusing very much these last years of working with madrone, mostly the burl, but also always worked with green. And so we are very honored to have this piece called Cambrian Memories Emergence to be included in the show. This is a collaboration between the two of us, and I'll start because I am the one who's created the shell. This is, here's a sample. It's a green turned piece of madrone burl that is dried and then has been steamed and shaped into this form, sandblasted, and then cleaned up. And then I hand these to Kristy, and she takes it from there.
And what I'm doing is I'm creating these textiles that are, it's wool felt. I call them fins, and they're felted into a very lightweight fabric. So the result here is a very sculptable textile, and I'm taking this textile and creating a form that fits within these wood pieces of Christians. And when I find the right shape, it is set with sizing and then attached into the shell. So it's a really wonderful conversation to have with these materials, just listening to them and watching to see kind of where it starts and following that.
And what delights me is that I've made a fair amount of these, and I always felt they were incomplete. And so once we started playing with these, it's like, they finally come to life. And I hope you will enjoy this piece as well. And thank you very much for watching us.
Thanks for having it in the show.